First of all, I would like to thank BMJ for coming out with this course on rheumatic and musculoskeletal diseases. Like we see in our day-to-day life in our hospitals or clinics, we have plenty of cases with muscular problems and joint problems, which are many times it becomes difficult to manage. So we need to have a fundamental background of all the diseases like muscular diseases, connective tissue diseases, which can help a lot in diagnosing those patients and how far we can manage and referring them at a proper time to a rheumatologist. So these things made me think to enroll in this course, and it's a wonderful course. It consists of modules, it consists of video lectures, and it has hands-on training as well as the exam. So, and the whole thing are well organized. So this makes the whole course a beautiful uh, course. Like uh, I'd like to suggest one thing, like um, the modules, however, those are very beautifully made, but more of theoretical. It should be in the practical oriented, case scenario based. So it will give a real clinical scenario to how we see the patient in day to day life. And this course is very good, and I would like to recommend everyone. Thank you.